running in the park. He is running in the park. She is sitting on the bench. She is sitting on the bench. They are standing near the gate. They are standing near the gate. We are jumping for joy. We are jumping for joy. The dog is wagging its tail. The dog is wagging its tail.
I am cleaning the table. I am cleaning the table.
He is opening the window. He is opening the window. They are watching television. They are watching television. My brother is sleeping in his room. My brother is sleeping in his room. I am drinking juice. I am drinking juice. He is cooking pasta. He is cooking pasta. She is eating a sandwich. She is eating a sandwich. I am cutting the bread. I am cutting the bread. He is making coffee. He is making coffee. Water is heating up. The water is heating up. She is reading a newspaper. She is reading a newspaper. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. My mother is cooking dinner. My mother is cooking dinner. They are talking to the teacher. They are talking to the teacher. The student is using a computer. The student is using a computer. My father is wearing shoes. My father is wearing shoes. My grandmother is wearing glasses. My grandmother is wearing glasses. I am wearing a jacket. I am wearing a jacket. The children are playing outside. The children are playing outside. He is riding his bike. He is riding his bike. I am waiting for the taxi. I am waiting for the taxi. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. My grandfather is fixing the light. My grandfather is fixing the light. Someone is knocking at the door. Someone is knocking at the door. I am laughing loudly. I am laughing loudly. I woke up at 6 a.m. I woke up at 6 a.m. I drank a cup of tea. I drank a cup of tea. I brushed my teeth. I brushed my teeth. I took a cold shower. I took a cold shower. I ate my breakfast quickly. I ate my breakfast quickly. She cleaned the big table. She cleaned the big table. We watched a movie together. We watched a movie together. The cat slept on the mat. The cat slept on the mat. My father fixed the broken chair. My father fixed the broken chair. I walked to the market. I walked to the market. He waited for the bus. He waited for the bus. She bought fresh milk. She bought fresh milk. The children played in the park. The children played in the park. My umbrella flew away. My umbrella flew away. Birds flew in the sky. Birdsy flew in the sky. I called my father. I called my father. I saw a bird. I felt happy today. I felt happy today. She sat on the chair. She sat on the chair. I stretched my arms. I stretched my arms. I brushed my hair. I brushed my hair. We sang a song. We sang a song. He cleaned the floor. He cleaned the floor. She danced well. She danced well. I wore a dress. I wore a dress. He ran very fast. He ran very fast. I washed my hands. I washed my hands. I closed the window. I closed the window. I drank a glass of water. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.